Hello, welcome to another video. In this video I would like to mention the cross-sectional design and the advantages of it and disadvantages of it. And as a definition, cross-sectional design is course of individuals are measured at the same time, and in order to research temporal or age differences. By taking a cross-section of a population, researchers avoid the disadvantages of longitudinal research and specifically loss of subjects over time. So this is the article, and this is the journal of, I think, Encyclopedia of Statistics in Behavioral Sciences. I'm not sure if it's a journal, but let's read the article. And so I reached the article through the Sci-Hub, and here cross-sectional research involves collecting data at the same time from groups of individuals who are of different ages or at different stages of development. Suppose a researcher is interested in studying self-concept of girls as they mature. It will take a long time to collect data on a group of longitudinal design. Is a study of a change of sample over time. There are several disadvantages to conducting it, and a long time to complete, and subjects are lost over the time period. As an alternative, researchers have turned to cross-sectional studies where larger groups are studied at one time, and instead of studying one group over time. So the study can be conducted a relatively short period of time with little loss of subjects. But they cannot really know the confounding factors because it's not really a longitudinal so let's read more. Many developmental studies employ cross-sectional design. If a researcher is interested in developmental trends or change in moral beliefs, a sample of students may be taken from different grade levels, for example 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th and 12th. The student will be administered the moral beliefs instrument at about the same time in all of the grades and analyzed for trends. Given that the data are collected within the same time period, individuals will not be lost over time, so because they finish the study at the same time. The factorial design can be employed within each of the cohorts using the same moral beliefs. Example, if the researcher were interested in gender and ethnic differences, then those variables will be assessed and analyzed. Main effects for age, gender, and development may be tested along with the interactions between these variables. However, seems those authors have argued that cross-sectional designs confound inter-individual growth and consequently are not adequate for the study of developmental processes. So, however, use the number of cross-sectional studies to establish a persistent relationship between measures of self-concept and academic achievement. So, causal inferences cannot be made from per-case cross-sectional studies, however, only from longitudinal research, which points to the limitations of cross-sectional studies. So that's interesting. So additional information can be found here, and you can somehow reach the article. It seems to be published in 2005. And thanks for watching this video. I wish you enjoyed this article and you can distinguish the longitudinal studies from cross-sectional studies, and wish you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.